In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the HubSpot platform through its detailed user guide. This will help you make the most out of its wide array of features, ensuring that you can maximize the potential of your business operations with HubSpot's tools. To begin, open your web browser and type in the HubSpot platform URL, or simply follow the link provided in the description to get to the user guide section. Once you are on the HubSpot homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll start your journey inside the platform. To access the CRM features, locate the CRM button and give it a click. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is a core component where you manage your customer interactions, store data, and improve your relationships with clients. Understanding how to navigate to this section is vital for developing strong customer relationships and streamlining your processes. You'll find various options to explore here, so take your time to look around. Next, you will want to head over to the Marketing section. Click on the Marketing tab to open it up. This section is your go-to for managing your marketing efforts, from campaigns to analytics and everything in between. It's a comprehensive area that will allow you to closely monitor your marketing initiatives and adapt them for peak performance. After exploring marketing, direct your focus towards the Content section. By clicking on Content, you will enter the segment where your blog posts, landing pages, and other marketing content live. This is where creativity shines, and the understanding how to utilize it fully can greatly enhance your engagement strategy. Now, let's navigate to the Sales section. Clicking on Sales will take you to where you can manage deals, track your sales pipeline, and more. The tools here are designed to streamline your sales process, providing you with insights and data essential for increasing revenue and improving efficiency. Following the Sales section, click on Commerce. This is where you can oversee your transactions and payment processing. It is pivotal for businesses that engage in direct selling and require a seamless method to manage their financial operations within the HubSpot ecosystem. Next up is the Service section. Click on it to access the tools that allow you to manage customer service requests and improve client satisfaction. Tools found here are designed to enhance your support team's efficiency and ensure a high quality of customer care. Continue by selecting Data Management. This tab includes features that help you manage the data that powers your business decisions. Organized data leads to better insights and decision-making, making this section a key component. Then, click on the Automation section to dive into the world of workflows. Automation will streamline repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on strategic initiatives. It's about working smarter, so familiarize yourself with the tools that allow you to automate actions within HubSpot. Finally, visit the Reporting section by clicking on its tab. This section houses the analytics and reporting tools necessary to track performance metrics. Customized reports can provide you with the insights needed to make informed decisions, a critical component for any thriving business. With these steps, you've now explored the fundamental sections of the HubSpot platform through its user guide. Familiarity with these features will empower you to make better business decisions and optimize your workflows effectively. Happy exploring!